Dalawang kumpanya ang opisyal na sindelyuhan ang kanilang partnership upang magtulungan sa kanilang common goal na maitaas ang kalidad na healthcare services sa Pilipinas. Ang detalye patungkol dito, panoorin po natin.
Sa kabila ng mga hakbang para sa pag-unlad ng kalusugan sa Pilipinas, patuloy na kinakaharap ng bansa ang mga hamon tulad ng kakulangan sa modernong kagamitan, teknolohiya at inobasyon. Kung kaya't mahalaga ang mga makabagong solusyon at matibay na partnership upang mapabuti ang ating mga serbisyong pangkalusugan at matugunan ang lumalaking pangangailangan ng publiko. At kaugnay niyan, kamakailan lamang ay isinagawa ang contract signing ceremony sa pagitan ng Terumo Marketing Philippines Inc. at Zafire Distributors Inc. na may temang Shared Vision, Shared Success. Ito ay dinaluhan ng mga pangunahing leader ng dalawang kumpanya.
Itong partnership na to is na-create for the Terumo products to be more accessible sa mga hospitals and therefore sa mga patients natin sa Philippines. Not only in the Philippines but globally. So yun yung shared vision and shared success na gusto namin yan. So dito sa partnership na to, yung mga products ng Terumo will be able to help elevate healthcare systems in the Philippines.
Dito ay ibinahagi ng President ng Zafire Distributors Inc. at Vice President ng EMEDS Division ang kanilang role sa naturang partnership upang mapabuti ang kaligtasan at kalidad ng healthcare services sa ating bansa.
Nakita namin na marami pang opportunity at marami pang ospital na hindi gumagamit ng mga produkto natin. So, we will try to make sure that all of these hospitals get the experience that they need through the equipment that we will sell, which is Terumo products.
Na meron mga Terumo products na di natin sigurado kung totoo ba sila or fake ba. So, makipagtulungan kami sa Terumo para kunin yung intellectual property papers, submit namin sa IPO office, we'll submit it to the online market and then they will purge. So that's the first thing that may happen as we enter into this partnership.
Bukod dito, ibinahagi rin ng Japan-based global device company na Terumo Marketing Philippines Inc. ang ilan sa kanilang produkto at programa.
Marami kaming mga produkto sa aming portfolio, ika nga. So, umpisa sa mga syringe na ginagamit sa hospital pang araw-araw ng mga medtech at ng mga nurses at even the doctors to the more sophisticated and elaborate machines such as yung mga infusion pump natin, injection pumps. Marami din kaming mga malalaki pa ring mga machines that can also help our patients. Hindi lang naman kami nagdi-distribute ng product, but we partner with our stakeholders. For example, sa hospital, yung mga nurses, medtech, and even the doctors na they are considered the users of our product. We partner with them through training para turuan sila kung paano gamitin yung aming mga products at maintindihan how our products can help them improve the care of the patients.
Sa 3.5 dekada na karanasan at matatag na reputasyon ng Zafire Distributors Inc., itinuturing ng Terumo Marketing Philippines Inc. ito bilang tamang katuwang sa pagpapalaganap ng dekalidad na produkto at medical technologies.
9 years ago, they started distributing our blood and cell technology business. From then on, marami na kaming naging experience with Zafire. Napili namin si Zafire simply because they had a shared vision, mission, and the desire to advance healthcare in the Philippines. Unlike other distributors and other partners in the past, Zafire actually came in with an intent not just to sell our product, but to also understand the pain points of the hospitals, customers, and how our products would actually contribute to address those pain points and add value dun sa practice ng ating mga hospitals, nurses, at saka doctors.
As you progress to something better, we always want for something more, but there's always room for growth. Consistency and not being complacent because of the previous success is perhaps the most challenging in the future. So what we can do about it is regular checks. Make sure to check the pulse of the customers as well. Make sure that we are okay with each other and having open discussions.
Sa pagtataguyod ng partnership na ito, nagiging mas matibay ang pundasyon ng kalusugan sa bansa at mas tiyak na maaabot ang layunin ng isang malusog at mas ligtas na Pilipinas para sa lahat.